Hey everybody, it's Mr. Eric from the Ada Community Libraries, and today for our cooking project, I am going to make you one of my favorite desserts. So, if you like these Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, you'll like this dessert today. It's really simple. It is a peanut butter pie. So, let's get started. First thing, remember to wash your hands. Cleanliness, staying safe is really good. Here we go. I'll wash my hands. All right. Also, I'm wearing a hat, not because I like hats, but to make sure my hair or anything doesn't get into the food. And I'm wearing my apron, so always be safety first. So today is peanut butter pie day. We are going to make with heavy cream, sugar, eggs, peanut butter. I have a graham cracker crust that I bought from the store, and cream cheese. So hope you enjoy. The first thing you do is you get two bowls. You're gonna mix whipping cream in one, and in the other, you're gonna mix pie filling. We're gonna do the whipped cream first because if you mix the whipped cream with the peanut butter, the oil of the peanut butter will not let the whipped cream fluff. So we have our heavy whipping cream that I got at the store, and we have our beaters. We are gonna do 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Got my measuring cup here, 1 cup. So, gotta open this up. Like heavy whipping cream, because it fluffs up. Measured out 1 cup heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna pour it into my bowl, like so. Ta-da! And then we're gonna start to mix it and get it. You're gonna mix it until you see stiff peaks going in. I mix it a little fast, but then you won't be able to hear me, so I'm gonna do that and get some air going. Whoa! Splattering all over the place too. But that is the fun thing about cooking. It's a little messy, but remember, after you get done cooking, make sure you clean up after yourselves. Always important to clean up. All right, we're gonna get, whoa. You can't see it down here, but I got whipping cream splattered all over the place. I like doing this to get the whipping cream going. So this peanut butter pie, I've had lots of times during the summer, during the fall, during the winter. It's really creamy and really, really rich. So I can only get like 1 piece eaten before I have to stop. But, you know, peanuts, if you can't have peanuts because of allergies, you can maybe substitute in some, you know, almond butter or something else. I just like the peanuts because I like peanut butter. So once this thickens up, I will come back and we will continue on. All right, I've been mixing for a few minutes. It's looking really good now. It was liquid before. You can see me dump that in. But now it's creamy. It is really, 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 really thick. And that's gonna go into our pie. So, like I said, I did this first. There we go. Because you don't want to mix the cream with the oil from the peanut butter. So, there it is. It's all creamy. See, I can tip it upside on its side. It doesn't even roll off or slide out like liquid. So that is probably the hardest part. There we go. All right, after that, we are going to, after you get the stiff peaks, we are going to take peanut butter or try almond butter, doesn't matter. And we're going to mix it with cream cheese and an egg and sugar in our other mixing bowl. So peanut butter is kind of sticky. We need a cup of peanut butter, and let me show you what I do. I get a measuring cup and I put in about maybe a cup or 2 cups of water. So I put in 2 cups of water, and then I take my peanut butter, and so it doesn't stick to the sides or anything like that, I just dump in a glob of peanut butter, and the water and the peanut butter, the water's 2 cups, and I put in 1 more cup of peanut butter, so 3 cups total in your measuring, you'll have a cup of peanut butter. So I'm almost there. And that way it doesn't stick to your jar or anything. Let's see, come on. Ooh, perfect, all right. So I got my peanut butter in the water. I have a cup of peanut butter there because I had 2 cups water and 1 cup peanut butter. And then I just dump out the water, and I'm left with the peanut butter that I need. Ta-da, peanut butter, and I put it in the mixing bowl. All right, got our peanut butter. Next comes cream cheese. All right, cream cheese. Open up, you need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna put in a whole 8 ounces of cream cheese. Told you it was very rich. It has cream cheese, peanut butter, whipping cream, sugar. Yes. All right. So 8 ounces of cream cheese. Oh. There we go. And you mix those together. So back to the blender, mixing it together, cream cheese and peanut butter together. Just gotta mix it together. Doesn't take too long. All right, got those mixed together. Peanut butter and cream cheese. And then you're going to take an egg. You put an egg in it to help it get mixed together. Make sure you don't get any egg yolk or egg shells in your dish. If you want to do it in a separate little container, if you don't feel comfortable about breaking eggs, so you crack it on the side. Get a little crack going. Dump it in your little container. And then you can check and see if you have any shells or anything. I don't, so I'm going to mix it in. Put it in my peanut butter cream cheese mixture. It also asks for a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, not a big one. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I got my vanilla extract. So 1 teaspoon, give it a little flavor. 1 teaspoon. And then 1 cup of sugar. So I am going to do a cup of sugar and add that to the peanut butter mixture. Okay, and so now you got egg, sugar, vanilla, your peanut butter, and cream cheese all together, and you're gonna mix it up some more. So this is you're gonna get it all smooth together and mix it up. Get that sugar mixed in, that peanut butter mixed in, the egg mixed in, all those flavors together. You can start to smell it. That vanilla smells really, really good. So get all that cream cheese off the side. You don't have to mix it too long, but I like to get everything mixed in really, really good. And you don't have to bake this. It's ready to go soon after you get it all mixed together. You don't have to bake it or anything. I'll show you what I'm getting. Ta-da! Mix it all together. Get all that sugar mixed up, all that egg mixed up. There we go. All right. You got it all mixed together. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold in your whipped cream. Folding means not really, really super hard mixing, folding it in. And just mix it slowly in. So we're gonna take our whipping cream that we had and, oh, I need a spoon. We're gonna fold that in. We're gonna mix that in with our pie crust to make it all creamy and yummy. So, all right, I think I got it all. Okay. Put it in with the pie, peanut butter stuff, and then folding it, you're gonna do it on the lowest setting, or you can do it by hand. Just slowly mix it in to make it smooth. And I'm just taking it really, really slow. You can see the colors changing. It's getting lighter, and it's not as dark anymore. And the whipped cream is mixing in. I'm gonna scoop this down from the side. Scoop it off of the side. That's important to get it off down the side, off of the sides of your bowl. There we go. Slowly just mix it in. Yeah. So you can use a chocolate, like a chocolate crust. You can put chocolate on top of this. Like peanuts, like I do. You can put peanuts on top of the pie after you're done to decorate it. I like to go get like little pieces of chocolate and put them on top. Sometimes I just put nothing on top. It's really, really good. And this will make about a 9-inch pie. There we go. All right. It's all mixed together. It's really light now. So, I got my graham cracker crust. I like that. And what I'm going to do is put it in the graham cracker crust. And then after I'm done with that, put the lid back on. and we are going to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for about 2 hours, and then we can eat it. So after you put it in the pie crust, get a spatula. Spatula, spatula. Put it in. Oh, I want to eat it right now. Oh man, this looks so good. Smell the peanut butter. Oh, so good. Yeah. And smooth it down. I love this pie. It's really rich. Has lots of calories, but it is delicious. All right. Voila! There's our peanut butter pie. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours and then enjoy it. So, have a good day. Stay safe at home. Enjoy the cooking lessons. I'll be back with another one in a couple days. And you take care of yourself.